Welcome back to Tronify Tech, the place where everyday cars get seriously smarter. Today, we're counting down 20 of the coolest car gadgets you can buy on Amazon right now. These aren't gimmicks. These are upgrades that improve speed, safety, storage, and peace of mind. Whether you daily drive, road trip, or just love cool tech in your ride, some of these feel straight out of the future, and a few are so useful, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. Let's jump straight in. RaceBox Performance Meter. Ever wondered how fast your car actually is, without guessing or relying on dashboard numbers? The RaceBox turns your car into a real-time performance lab. This compact GPS performance meter tracks 0 to 60 times speed, lap data, braking distance, and acceleration with insane precision. We're talking professional-grade accuracy, the kind used in real motorsports testing. It locks onto satellites in seconds and displays crystal-clear performance stats on its bright screen, even in direct sunlight. No wiring, no complicated setup. Just mount it, power it on, and drive. Whether you're tuning your car, testing upgrades, or just curious how your ride stacks up, RaceBox gives you real data, not guesses. Once you try it, every pull feels more intentional. Spytec Atlas GPS Tracker. Ever worry about where your car actually is when you're not around? The Spytec Atlas GPS Tracker gives you that peace of mind instantly. This pocket-sized tracker delivers real-time location updates straight to your phone. You can set geo-fences, track driving speed, and even rewind location history if something feels off. It's perfect for stolen vehicle recovery, monitoring teen drivers, or keeping tabs on a shared vehicle. The battery lasts up to 2 weeks and setup takes less than a minute. Once activated, you can track your car from anywhere in the world. Small device, massive peace of mind. Rooftop cargo carrier? Running out of space before the trip even starts? This waterproof rooftop cargo carrier instantly adds serious storage to almost any vehicle. It straps securely to roof rails or crossbars and expands your cargo capacity for luggage, camping gear, strollers, or sports equipment without sacrificing interior comfort. Built from heavy-duty, weather-sealed material, it keeps your gear dry through rain, snow, and highway wind. When you're done, it folds down flat for easy storage. Road trips feel easier, cabins feel bigger, and suddenly packing stress disappears. If your trunk is always full, this is the upgrade you need. Splash Zippy Wireless Charger. If your phone keeps sliding around while charging in the car, the Splash Zippy fixes that instantly. This smart wireless charger auto-detects your phone, clamps it securely, and starts fast charging the moment you place it inside. No buttons, no fumbling, just drop and go. It supports Qi-enabled devices, delivers efficient power without overheating, and stays locked in place even on rough roads. The mount rotates smoothly so you always get the perfect viewing angle for navigation or calls. Clean setup, one-hand operation, zero distractions. Once you use it, cables feel ancient. WeBoost Drive Reach. Signal booster. Ever notice how your signal disappears the second you hit the highway or mountains? The WeBoost Drive Reach is a total game changer. This powerful cell signal booster grabs weak outside signals and amplifies them inside your car, giving you stronger calls, faster data, and fewer dropped connections almost anywhere. It works across all major carriers and is perfect for road trips, remote work, or emergency situations where signal reliability matters most. Installation is straightforward, and once it's running, you'll immediately notice clearer calls and improved streaming. Bad reception ruins trips. This makes your car feel connected again. Car hood light strip. Want your car to stand out the second the sun goes down? This hood-mounted LED light strip delivers instant attitude. It runs cleanly along your hood line and creates a sharp, futuristic glow that looks incredible at night. The strip is flexible, waterproof, and weather-resistant, built to handle rain, heat, and daily driving. Installation is quick, and the light stays bright without flickering. It adds personality without going over the top, subtle during the day, bold after dark. If you love customizing your ride, this is one of the easiest visual upgrades you can make. Nextbase 622 GW Dashcam. If you don't have a dashcam yet, this one might convince you. The Nextbase 622 GW is one of the most advanced dashcams you can put in your car. It records in ultra-sharp 4K, so license plates, road signs, and details stay crystal clear, even at high speeds. Built-in image stabilization keeps footage smooth, and the wide-angle lens captures the full road, not just what's directly ahead. It also includes emergency SOS alerts, GPS tracking, and intelligent parking mode that watches your car when you're away. Everything syncs seamlessly to your phone for quick playback and sharing. One accident avoided, one claim proven. This dash cam pays for itself. AstroAI Extendable Ice Scraper. Winter mornings are rough, and scraping ice shouldn't make them worse. The AstroAI Extendable Ice Scraper turns a painful chore into a quick job. Its telescoping handle gives you extra reach for large windshields, while the heavy-duty scraping blade breaks through thick ice without damaging the glass. The foam grip stays comfortable even in freezing temperatures. Lightweight, durable, and easy to store, this is one of those tools you don't think about until you desperately need it. Cold outside? No problem. You'll be back on the road in minutes. Armor All Interior Protectant. Your car interior takes a beating from sunlight, dust, and daily use. Armor All Protectant keeps it looking fresh. This multi-surface formula cleans, shines, and protects dashboards, door panels, consoles, and trim. It helps prevent cracking, fading, and discoloration caused by UV exposure, while leaving a clean, non-greasy finish. A few wipes can make an old interior feel almost new again. Simple product, huge visual upgrade. Govee Interior Car LED Lights. If you want instant mood inside your car, the Govee Interior LED Light Kit delivers. These smart LEDs offer millions of color options, smooth brightness control, and dynamic lighting modes that react to music. Control everything directly from your phone. Switch colors, adjust intensity, or sync the lights to your playlist. They're low profile, easy to install, and instantly transform your cabin from boring to bold. Late night drives feel different when the lighting matches the vibe. Once you try ambient lighting, there's no going back. AstroAI Windshield Cleaning Tool. Ever notice how the inside of your windshield is always the hardest part to clean? The AstroAI Windshield Cleaner fixes that. Its extendable handle and pivoting head reach deep into the glass without twisting your arm into impossible angles. Paired with the microfiber pad, it wipes away haze, dust, and fingerprints fast. It's lightweight, reusable, and perfect for quick touch-ups or full cleanings. Clear glass means less glare, better visibility, and safer driving. Simple tool, big safety upgrade. Kobach car registration and insurance holder. Digging through your glove box during a traffic stop is never fun. The Kobach document organizer keeps everything right where you need it. It neatly stores your registration, insurance, ID cards, and important paperwork in labeled slots, all protected by durable stitching and a sleek cover. Everything stays flat, clean, and easy to access. It's one of those small upgrades that instantly makes your car feel more organized and stress-free. Clean glove box, clear mind. AstroAI Portable Tire Inflator. A low tire can ruin your day fast. The AstroAI Portable Tire Inflator makes sure it never does. This compact air compressor inflates a car tire quickly and stops automatically when it hits your preset PSI. No guessing, no overfilling. It supports multiple pressure units and works for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and sports gear. The built-in LED light helps during night emergencies, and the whole unit is small enough to keep in your trunk or glove box. Plug it into your car's outlet, set the pressure, and let it work. It's one of those tools you hope you never need, but you'll be grateful you have it. Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster. Dust in your car always finds the hardest spots to reach. Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster clears it out in seconds. Powered by a high-speed motor, this rechargeable duster blasts strong air to clean air vents, seat rails, cup holders, and tight crevices. No canned air needed. It's adjustable, reusable, and eco-friendly. It also works great for keyboards, electronics, and home use, making it one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can own. N-Moist Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. If your car turns into an oven during summer, this one's a lifesaver. The N-Moist Windshield Sunshade Umbrella pops open in seconds. Unlike traditional shades, it unfolds like an umbrella and fits snugly against your windshield, blocking harsh sunlight and dramatically reducing interior heat. It helps protect your dashboard, steering wheel, and seats from UV damage. When you're done, it folds down compact and stores neatly in your door or center console. Fast setup, cooler cabin. Once you use it, you'll never go back to floppy sunshades. WeatherTech Cup Phone. If your phone always ends up sliding around while you drive, the WeatherTech Cup Phone is a simple but brilliant fix. It drops straight into your cup holder and expands for a rock-solid fit. The adjustable cradle holds most smartphones securely and keeps your screen at eye level for navigation or calls, without blocking vents or cluttering your dash. No suction cups, no adhesives, just a stable, reliable mount that works in almost any car. Sometimes the smartest upgrades are the simplest ones. Rightline Gear Moki Car Doorstep. Ever struggle to reach your roof rack or clean the top of your car? The Moki Car Doorstep makes it effortless. It hooks securely into your door latch, creating a strong step that supports your weight while you access rooftop cargo, wash your roof, or strap down gear. When you're done, it folds flat and stores easily in your glove box. No ladders, no balancing acts, just safe, quick access when you need it. Drift Car Air Freshener. Most air fresheners smell great for a day, then disappear. The Drift Car Air Freshener is different. It uses real wood paired with clean, long-lasting scents that slowly release over time. No overpowering chemicals, no artificial blast, just a subtle, premium fragrance that keeps your car smelling fresh for weeks. It also looks good, adding a minimal, upscale touch to your interior. Your car should smell as good as it drives. Rika Key Finder. Ever lose your keys right when you're already late? The Rika Key Finder puts an end to that. Attach the receiver to your keys, wallet, or remote. When something goes missing, press the button on the transmitter and follow the sound. Simple, effective, and no smartphone app required. It's perfect for daily use, travel, or anyone who's tired of wasting time searching. Small gadget, big stress relief. Able Life Vehicle Support Handle. Getting in and out of the car shouldn't be a struggle. The Able Life Vehicle Support Handle adds instant stability. It slides securely into the door latch, creating a strong grip point to help you stand or lower yourself safely. Ideal for seniors, injury recovery, or anyone who wants extra support without permanent modifications. It installs in seconds, removes just as fast, and stores easily in your car. Comfort, confidence, and control right when you need it. And that wraps up our list of the 20 coolest car gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Which one would you actually use in your car? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'm curious. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next upgrade. This is Tronify Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.